In this video for our series of AI tools, we will discuss how we can turn our media into gaming using a very useful tool called Genie. This tool is recently introduced by Google. We can use it to turn any picture or drawing into a video game that we will discuss later in this video. So, technically what goes at the back end is we draw something or snap a photo and then play inside it like it's a game. This means we can create our own video game levels and do tons of customizations to that. It's a big deal for all of us because it's not just pushing boundaries, it's completely changing the game, giving us a glimpse into a future where making our own game universe and pulling in loyal customer base to it. So, that's what we will use Genie for, creating amazing interactive content soon. It works like magic by bringing static images, sketches, and photos to life, turning them into interactive features. It's all thanks to its world model, which is a really smart AI trained on lots of video footage from different sources like 2D platforms, popular games, and robotics. This training helps Genie understand and recreate how interactive environments work without needing detailed instructions. First of all, this tool observes the behavior and learns from the actions in the media it's trained on. Then, it figures out what parts of an image we can control and comes up with a bunch of actions and customization we can do in those environments. This shows how well it understands how interactions work in different situations. Genie can be used in lots of different ways. Game developers can use it to quickly try out new game ideas. It's a big blessing for the game devs, artists, and creators who can bring their ideas to life in interactive ways, going beyond just drawing or painting. Not just for the gaming purpose, we can use it in the education field as well. Genie could change how we learn by making history, science, and art more immersive and engaging. We must understand one important thing here, that Genie's capacity to serve as a training ground for generalist AI agents has opened new avenues for all of us, especially in the field of AI research. By generating an endless variety of environments, Genie provides a platform for developing AI systems that can adapt and perform across a broad spectrum of scenarios. This capability is crucial for the advancement of AI, moving towards systems that can understand and interact with the world in ways that are more lifelike and alive. Yet, Genie, in fact, is just the beginning. As a research project, it represents the cutting edge of what's possible, blending the realms of generative AI with interactive gaming and simulation. Its current limitations, including the generation of games at a relatively low frame rate, highlight the challenges that lie ahead. These technical hurdles, however, are matched by the ethical considerations of such powerful technology. Obviously, we need to understand that there could be misuse of this tool, it could be used to intrude on other people's privacy, and the impact on the gaming and content creation industries are some of the issues that need to be considered on the radar. Apart from that, we are really excited for Genie, especially when they are going to introduce upgrades to it. It symbolizes a leap towards a future where the barriers to creating and experiencing digital content are dramatically lowered. As we look to the future, especially when AI is taking over everything to open the roads of immense opportunities, the possibilities presented by Genie are as vast as the virtual worlds it promises to create. It not just revolutionizes game design and interactive storytelling to transform educational content and beyond, we can use this tool to do tons of other things that we cannot otherwise. Obviously, much more development will come its way, and at the end its public release will undoubtedly be watched with keen interest by many, eagerly anticipating the next chapter in this exciting journey of discovery and innovation. In short, Google's Genie is more than just a new piece of tech, it shows us what's possible in the future, not just that. Imagine it serves as a game dev for itself and helps us create a world no one ever thought of. I meant, the possibilities are countless. With Genie, we're starting to see its potential and the new inroads that it makes in the field of game development. It may help devs to figure out ways when they hit a blockage. It could change how we use computers and play games because it learned from watching lots of online videos. This introduces a new way of thinking about AI. It figures things out by itself, which could lead to many new and exciting tools and games. The future of Genie, and generative AI in general, holds a lot of promise. As technology progresses and Genie gets better, we can expect even more advanced and immersive virtual worlds. These advancements will not only improve how we play, learn, and create, but also change how we interact with technology, making the digital world a bigger part of our lives. So no one is going to stop you from becoming a game developer even though you don't know any coding skills at all, an artist or graphic designer in a way we never imagined before, even despite having tons of AI tools at our disposal earlier. Genie's journey is just beginning, and it promises to be as captivating as the worlds it creates. That's the end of our video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can make more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.